Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a review on this HTVRONT Automatic Heat Press. Now this heat press is a nice sleek looking heat press. It has a 15 by 15 tray on it. All you have to do is take it out of the box and plug it in. There's no setup. So what I have already done is taken it out of the box. What comes with it? You're going to get the heat press, you get the Teflon pad or the Teflon sheet right here, and you're going to get instructions that are very clear and easy to follow. So once you take it out of the box, you just set it on your table and plug it in, and you'll have a flashing light like this. You just plug it into your outlet. We're going to press this button and that turns on the power. It's very easy to set up. You've got your temperatures button right here, and you've got a time button right here. So to set your temperature, you press the temperature button, and then you press the up or the down arrow to set the temperature you need. I'm going to set this to 320, and I'm going to set my time. Press your time button, then you press your plus or minus button again, and that sets your time. So I'm going to set this time for 20 seconds. Okay, so that's set. Now the other buttons here, you have this button here, which is a it's like a automatic preset button. The first one is for 300 at 15 seconds. The second one is 320 for 15 seconds. Third one is 330 for 20 seconds. And the fourth one is 390 for 40 seconds. So those are presets. And then right here you're going to have a custom button. You'll have two custom heat temperatures you can use. You got custom A, and I've got that set for 320 at 20 seconds. And custom B I have set at 385 for 60 seconds. And you just set it the same way with your temperature buttons right here. And then this button right over here that's flashing, while your press is heating up, it's going to flash red, but once it reaches temperature and it's ready to press, it's going to turn green. It's that easy. Also, if you prefer centigrade instead of Fahrenheit, just long press the temperature button and it'll switch to centigrade. To switch it back, just long press the button again and it'll switch right back to Fahrenheit. So that's the only controls on there, very easy. This button right here that says automatic, this automatic button is if you want to use, once you slide this tray out and you put your, whatever you're pressing on here and you push it back in, it automatically presses instead of having to press this button up here. We'll get into that here a little bit later when we press something. It doesn't take up much room. You don't have to worry about a big handle like my other press over here where you got to push down on it. It automatically closes, automatically opens once the time's up. You've got this tray that slides out. Like I said, you got a padded pad right here. And then you get this Teflon sheet. Let's let this thing warm up and we'll try pressing some items with it. We'll press some t-shirts and we'll do some sublimation. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got this shirt ready to press. We're going to give it a try. I've got it set at 320 for 15 seconds, and that's what the manufacturer of this transfer recommends. So let's give it a try. I've already got the shirt centered and the everything where I want it. Just going to set this on top here. Push it in. Press this button right here. It's green, so it means it's ready to go. Automatically, it closes, adjusts the pressure, and then as soon as our 15 seconds are up, it will open automatically. I really like this, nice and compact. Okay, we'll go ahead and pull our shirt out. I love this tray how it just pulls out. Easy to get to. And we'll let that cool down for a second. See what we got going on here. Got a piece of paper stuck on there. We'll get that off. That'll come off. So there's that shirt pressed. Did a great job pressing that. Okay, we'll try one with a DTF transfer and see how that does. Okay, so I'm set up for another press here. We got a DTF transfer. I've already got it set up and lined up and everything. Put my Teflon sheet over here. Let me go ahead and move this back so the color is off of the press. I get a nice smooth press. Just like that. I'm going to put my Teflon sheet over this. Now this time I'm going to use the automatic button. I'm going to show you what that's for. It's this button right here. So when we press this button, it turns on the switch that when you just close the tray, it'll automatically work like this. That way you don't have to press the button at the top. And that, you know, that's if you want to do mass production shirts. You just put one in there, close it, press is open, put another one there, close. That way you don't have to keep pressing the button, which is a nice feature also I like. Now this also comes in like a blue color, a different color that you can see on their website. Go ahead and let this cool down for a minute. Okay, start peeling this off. Just like that. Did an excellent job pressing that DTF transfer. Nice. So far it's doing a very good job. I like the way it operates. Like I said, it doesn't take up much room. And I like the feature where it'll automatically press once you close the drawer. For some reason you don't want it to press, you just press any button, it'll open back up again. Or you can turn off the automatic draw function and it'll only press when you press the green button right here. So let's try something with sublimation and see how it does with that. Okay, we're going to try this HTVRONT automatic press with sublimation now and see how it does with that. So I've got this set up. I got a press pillow under here because of all the seams. So as you can see, I have a press pillow because of the I want to make sure that it stays flat when I press it. I got my butcher paper underneath. I'm going to put some butcher paper on top to protect the press from the blowback from the sublimation ink. Now I need to adjust my temperature for this one to 385. So all I have to do is press the temperature button. You'll see it flashing. Hold it in. And we'll go up to 385. And it goes in 5-degree increments. 380. Or 380, I mean. Okay, and then I want to change my time for 70 seconds. Just change that. You can hold it in or you can keep pressing it. It works either way. I just like to hold the button in and it automatically count up. Go to 70 seconds. And we'll let this warm up. You don't have, it'll just let it go for a few seconds and it automatically start heating up. And once our button turns green here, we'll be ready to press this little apron. Okay, another thing I want to mention about this HTVRONT press is that it heats up very quickly. You don't have to wait half an hour for it to heat up, which is very nice. I'm already at 380. I'm at 380 for 70 seconds, and my button is telling me it's ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and push this in, and we'll press that button and let it do its thing. In 70 seconds, we'll continue. Okay, we're getting close to our time. Also, if you forget to turn this press off, it does have a 10-minute auto off, which is nice. If you forget to turn your press off after 10 minutes of no activity, it'll shut off by itself. That's a nice safety feature. Okay, so our time is up. Let's go and see what this looks like. It's a little apron, and I used a sublimation design on it. Perfect, look at that. Pressed just like it should have.
Oh, that's so cute.
Look at that. So it works well with sublimation. I mean, you can probably do car coasters and whatever you can fit under there. I'm sure it'll work just fine with your sublimation. It works fine with your DTF. It works fine with your vinyl transfers. It's a perfect little press, and it doesn't take up that much room. It has a nice long cord on it. And like I said, the auto function where you can just push it in, it automatically closes. I think it's going to be our main press. And this one over here will be our backup. Because I really like all the features this has. And how nicely it presses. I don't have to worry about adjusting pressure. It automatically does it for me. So if you're in a market for a press, I would recommend this HTVRONT Auto Heat Press. As far as I can see, it does a perfect job. 15 by 15 platform, and it's very portable. You got two handles here on the side where you can pick it up, and it's nice and heavy too, so it's not going to move around on you. Yeah, I would recommend it. I really do like it, and I think that's going to be our main press from now on. Okay, so another thing on the heat press that I wanted to mention is that the HTVRONT is having a sale right now. I believe it's running until the end of the month. I'll put all the links in the description, all the information. So if you're interested in buying one of these, now is the time to get one while they're on sale. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.